2020 চনৰ 28 জুনত প্ৰথমটো বানে আমাৰ যিমান দিছৈ পঞ্চায়তৰ এলেকা আছিলে সকলোখিনি খেতি নষ্ট কৰিলে। বিশেষকৈ আমাৰ ইয়াত বড়ো খেতিটোৱে বেষ্ট হয়। সেই বড়ো খেতিকে 28 জুনত আমাৰ শেষ কৰিলে। প্ৰথম অৱস্থাত আমাৰ বড়ো খেতি নষ্ট কৰিলে। দ্বিতীয় তৃতীয়টো বানে গৰু ছাগলী মহ যিবোৰ লাইফ ষ্টক যেনেকৈ কুকুৰা গাহৰি ছাগলী হাঁহ পাৰ এনেধৰণৰ বহুতো আমাৰ লোকচান হৈছে। আজি তাৰিখলৈকে তৃতীয়টো বান হ'ল। তৃতীয়টো বানত আমাৰ দ্বিতীয় তৃতীয়টো বানে আমাক একেবাৰে ঘৰৰ একেবাৰে চাং ডুবি গৈছে। এই চাং ডুবি যোৱা অৱস্থাত আমি মথাইত আশ্ৰয় ল'বলগীয়া হৈছিলে আৰু সেই সময়ত আমি একেবাৰে কোঙা হৈ পৰিছিলোঁ। যিহেতু অন্যহাতে COVID-19 কৰোণা ভাইৰাছো মহামাৰীৰ ৰূপ লৈছে। গতিকে এইটো অৱস্থাত আমি যথেষ্টখিনি অসুবিধাত ভুগি আছোঁ আৰু যথেষ্ট অভাৱ অনাটন। যদি চৰকাৰৰ দল সংগঠনে আগবাঢ়ি আহে তেতিয়াহ'লে আমি নথৈ সুখী হ'ম বুলি ভাবিছোঁ।
Like every year, this year the people of Assam are fighting the pandemic and the floods together. Flood is a perennial crisis for the people of Assam. Every year, hundreds of lives are lost, millions are displaced, crops, infrastructure, and animal lives are destroyed. 1,000 kilometers of land are lost to flood erosion annually. The gigantic Brahmaputra is both a lifeline and threat to the people of Assam. Crores of government money are spent on building embankments alongside the Brahmaputra every year. But unplanned river embankments have only stifled the natural course of the river. Many argue that embankments cause rivers to rise higher and flow faster. Moreover, landslides, deforestation, climate change, and poor drainage systems weaken these embankments. Northeast Collective IIT Bombay is a student organization comprising of students from the different states of Northeast India. Our efforts are to provide platforms for different socio-cultural activities, academic activities, and other creative expressions from Northeast India. We are committed to making IIT Bombay a student-friendly, rights-based, democratic, and egalitarian space. Last year, NEADS in association with ActionAid and Society for Social Transformation and Environment Protection had supported a flood emergency response in 3 villages of Morrigaon district covering 250 families. This year too, we had come forward to support flood relief efforts at 3 villages of Jhanjimukh, Jorhat in association with local NGO partners ActionAid and NEADS. All of our activities are funded through crowdfunding from students and faculty communities in IIT Bombay and other educational institutes. It is high time the government policies take into account the traditional communities' knowledge of people who have learned to co-live with the river for centuries. More focus must be put on community preparedness and resilience building programs. We cannot tame the river, we can only make room for it to flow.
Bye bye.